Buongiorno, hey. Welcome all you Americanos. Hey, you know what today is? Today is a Thanksgiving. I give you Thanksgiving for my nice mustache. What are we making today? Well, what else would we make on Thanksgiving? Turkey? See. Yes, we are going to have turkey. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this pumpkin pie. I make this pumpkin pie in, 10 o'clock this morning. No, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock this morning, I cooked this pumpkin pie. Where is the camera? Why am I staring at nothing? There we go. Now we are talking. Let me tell you, this is going to be the most delicious dinner we are going to have. Yes, I am in my jail suit because I am locked down for the next 57 years in red. I don't know why. I like green, but they give me red, but you cannot do whatever they want you to do. Anyways, I wish my cameraman was here so I would have two hands to work with, but I do not have two hands to work with. Why? Because I am being bombarded with videos and keep saying, hey, buongiorno, have a good Thanksgiving. It's all about fun and food and all the yummy stuff, right? Where is the camera? Is it here? There it is. Hi camera, how you doing? How? Okay, you see, I'm not used to talking to this side of the camera. But now we're going to take you on a ride and make you dizzy. Oh, yes, making me dizzy. Oh, whoa. Yeah, okay. Now I'm really dizzy. So, okay, so see my hat. I have my chef's hat. And I have my mustache. Now, you want to see the food, right? Okay, we're going to work on that now. Okie dokie. It's me, Chef Capalbo. Hey, we're going to make some good turkey. How do we make turkey? I don't know. I've never made a turkey in my whole life. I mean, I make a turkey sandwich. That's good. But a real turkey, I don't have any. We don't have the room. Let me show you what I mean. When I say we don't have the room, I mean we don't have the room. Look at the size of this. How you cook a turkey in that? That. Whew, smells like gas. Phew, I hope it lights. We don't want it to blow up. Anyways, you see how the size of the pumpkin pie is, right? How are you going to put a turkey in there? No. We're going to put the turkey in there. And the way we do that is we get my hand out of the way. We go Jenny-O, 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 Jenny-O. Jenny-O is going to help us make the turkey because it's all we need. There's only two of us. No bed bug like everyone thinks. I don't care what they think. That's too bad. They miss out. We are going to have turkey. Olives from Graber Olives Company. Yes, I found one can. I do have a can. Ooh, this mustache is moody. It's itchy. Okay, so we have a sweet potatoes. My wife is going to make those. I don't know how to make. We're going to have the pumpkin pie I already made. We're going to have my favorite mashed potatoes. Those are my favorite. Okay, and I think maybe we'll visit Mr. Girardelli and we'll make brownies. Oh, you have to have dessert, You can have the pie, you can have mashed potatoes, you can have lots of things, but you cannot have brownies. Anyways, I must learn how to make this now. Because this has to go in there, and has to go in there and cook, and then have to have it ready, and then I have to make the gravy. or they call it sauce. No, it is boneless turkey breast. Okay, so okay. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Hopefully the cameraman is having delicious lasagna. Hey, that's a good Italian meal. I don't know why he's having Italian when he's not Italian. But you can be whatever you want. You can have what you want. Okay, I put you on hold while I take turkey out. Hey, this is Chef Capalbo. I am back. We already make a big mistake. It says take the frozen turkey out of the freezer. Okay, we had it in the fridge. So, okay, it's not going to be frozen. Cut slits on top. So, there's one. There's two. There's three. Okay, we'll throw that in there. We don't need that. So, there you have that. Now we're going to take the turkey and we're going to place it in pan, allowing room for bag to expand. Yes, that is very big. Okay. Always check doneness with meat thermometer. Insert into thickest part of the breast, which would be, my guess, right about here. Okay. Start checking temperature after 2 hours. Remove from oven when internal temperature reaches 165. Of course I know that. You have to have it at 165. Otherwise you're going to eat bad meat, you're going to get sick, and you're going to be in the hospital. Based on natural variations in breast size, it may take up to 3 hours to cook. That is not going to take 3 hours. No. Let turkey breast rest 10 minutes. Cut open up top. What? We could have made it in a slow cooker. How long would that take? Well, we do it this way. I don't want to make slow cookie brand. It might not turn out right. It might come out mushy, and I don't want to eat mushy. And no good. No bueno. All right, I put the camera up here now, so you guys can watch from up here. Hopefully, maybe, if the phone doesn't fall down. Hey, I have two hands. Okay, so you can't see it, but I'll show it to you in a minute. We take this out like this. It's 11:07. Okay, say goodbye to turkey. Turkey's going in. Turkey's getting cooked. Bye-bye, turkey. 375 degrees. Okay, somebody's leaving messages in front of my camera. I hope that does not show up. Okay, it is now 11:07, 11:08. And we should have to put the turkey in for how long? Start checking temperature after 2 hours. So 12, 1 o'clock, 1:08. So it's going to be a good Thanksgiving, eh? All right, we show you later when it's done. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe right here and watch for my next video right here. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Ciao.